Oh, hi, evening. I'm going to be covering up my terrible greys and regrowth, and I will be trialing Natalie's toothbrush method to try and cover some of this greyness, which you can no doubt see. L'Oreal Excellence Creme in colour 6.1, which is light ash brown. I know it's hard to go light from such a dark base, but I don't know if you can see, but it's quite light down here, and of course quite dark up here where it's not grey. I have already taken everything out of the box and laid it all out here in accordance with Natalie's instructions. So I have the trimmed down toothbrush. Natalie uses a proper mixing bowl, of course, in her videos. I don't have one. So I actually thought that a shallow dish would be easier to dip the toothbrush into. After I shake it up, I'm going to actually put it in the lid of my Nespresso milk foamer, because I don't ever use it, because that is the perfect angle at which to pick up the product, and I won't be having to scoop it, so I hopefully won't be getting too much. And then the other thing I have, Natalie doesn't mention this, which I think is a little bit negligent of her, but I guess, you know, she's human and she's a busy woman, she can't think of everything. I also just have a gin and tonic, and given that this is my first time colouring my hair since I was in high school, probably, which is more years ago than I care to remember, I figure I might need a drink. So let's see how we go, shall we? Multitasking. Some Tasmanian gin, poltergeist gin. It is now. I need to wash this off in about 30 minutes. I'm not taking it through to the ends because Natalie told me not to. So join me tomorrow morning in daylight hours to see how it's turned out. I'll see you then. Have a good night. Thanks for coming back. Well, it's the day after the hair dyeing experience with the trusty toothbrush. We weren't going for full coverage. We didn't want a line. We were more going for the effect of blending the silvers. And I have to say, we've done just that. I quite like that the greys have been gently blended. Some of the lighter strands now start much further up, or right at the hairline, which was gentle streaking effect. Now, I have since spoken to Natalie. I know she's eager to learn the results, so I'm hoping that she's pleased. I hope I haven't let her down. What I might actually do as well is see if I can put a semi on just to tone some of this very light brown hair. I haven't really decided what the best drink would be for that occasion. Perhaps you can pop some suggestions in the comments. Cheers.